So today we're going to be doing a Disney holiday room tour. I have decorated my room with all of my holiday Disney merchandise and a lot of merchandise from my recent trip to the Walt Disney World Resort. So make sure to check out my full haul video, linked down below, if you guys like to see more of this merchandise up close and in better detail. With all of that said, let's get started. First up on my door we have this Stormtrooper Happy Holidays sign, perfect for the release of Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker. To my left, not much else has changed except for these Dapper Dan Funko Pops that I added to the top of my mirror. I added corresponding presents with them. I absolutely loved the holiday music that they sang while I was there. And I'll have my Disney vlogs linked down below if you guys like to see that. So I wanted to make sure the Dapper Dans were out, and they are also festive for the holidays. I also have some other smaller holiday items on my little makeup stand, and references to other things that will be happening this December. Now moving over to my desk area. First, starting off here on my chair, I just wanted to show this to you guys. I got the new Disney Food Loungefly to match my Spirit jersey that I'm currently wearing. This is the Disney Foods Loungefly. It is all black and has cutesy little holiday Disney foods all over it. Moving over here to my calendar, I put this little scented Mickey Mouse ornament, and I absolutely love the smell of these. I made these myself, and if you guys like, I can do a video on how to make these. They smell so good. They're great ornaments, great gifts, and you can also make Disney ones and add a little holiday to them. So if you guys like to see that video this December, leave me a comment down below. Below my calendar, we have some other fun holiday pictures, and these really cute holiday Tiny Big Feet Mickey and Minnie on this little sparkly sled. And then I also sprinkled around little green and red Mickey head confetti. Starting on this side of my desk, nothing new there on the bottom shelf, but moving up we have my Jingle Bell sipper that I got at the Magic Kingdom. This has to be one of my favorite sippers of all time, so I wanted to make sure I could look at it all the time here at my desk. Next to that, I have some of the itty bitties. We have a Mickey and Daisy and Donald and Minnie back there. I also have the same confetti sprinkled down below, but I also have some tiny little presents. A lot of you guys are asking where I got those last year. I actually got them at like Michael's or a craft store. They have a lot of them. Above that we have this Mickey and Friends band, and you push the button and they'll all like sync together, but I still need to put batteries in them. But I think they look really neat. I hung up some cool little holiday postage stamps back there, and I put some other of the bigger kind of decorative presents along with some more confetti around them. Moving down below here, below my desktop, we have some Disney holiday pins on those little pin stands that I showed you guys in my previous pin collection video, which I'll also have linked down below. We have new Disney Cupcake magnets as well, also linked down below. I also hung up one of the Very Merry Christmas Party maps, and there's some more pins as well. Below that we have this little Santa little bin and this little sack from Santa. I also have one of the Tokyo Disney Resort little mug clips that goes on the edge of a mug, but I wanted to put it here on my desk on this little bucket this year. I have other little confetti sprinkled around and little holiday Disney pins. We also have the little Skyliner buckets just because I love them so much. I also have this really tiny Christmas tree that actually plugs in by USB. I love having it by my desk, and yes, there are some Disney ornaments in there. There's Sorcerer Mickey, and then there's also the Genie lamp. Gotta keep the Disney happening on all the trees. I have this adorable little tray from Tokyo Disney Resort, a fun little Olaf figure, a Mickey and Minnie Hollywood Studios ornament, and also another Skyliner bucket. Next to that, I have more holiday maps hanging there as well. And right above that, we have some more fun holiday items, like the Mickey Mouse Santa Funko Pop, some other fun themed animations, snow globes, pins, and more. Again, I added more of those presents in there just to help fill up the space. And above that, we have some more fun Disney food items. We have the Contemporary Resort 10th Anniversary Gingerbread mug, and we also have the Gingerbread Duffy, along with some Mickey and Minnie holiday Tsum Tsums. Now we move above that to my Mystery Mini shelf, but before we get to the Mystery Minis, I put out my Disney holiday snow globes. So this is the new 2019 snow globe that's available at Disney stores and on shopdisney.com. And then I also have all of these other tiny ones surrounding it from different years. Then moving over into the mystery minis, we have all of the Frozen mystery minis since Frozen 2 just came out, and because those are my wintry mystery minis that I have, gotta keep the theme going all throughout. And then we have more of the snow globes. Above that we have some other fun themed Vinylmations, some like fall themed Vinylmations, and then we go into some more wintry ones and wintry colors. And then we also have the Star Wars ones, since The Rise of Skywalker will be coming out this December. Next up, we have one of my favorite parts of my room. This is my display case. It is full of a bunch of holiday items. On this bottom shelf here, we still have retro Disney parks, because I love this stuff so much. But I also put in some holiday Disney pins down here at the bottom, just to keep the holiday theme all throughout. Below that we have more retro Disney items, but these ones are specifically holiday items. A lot of you guys sent these items to me, so thank you so much. Our first item here is this little Disney candy jar, and I just put the little fake peppermints in it just to keep the holiday theme. Below that we have these old Disney like gift card tags. And then we just have some other fun like older items like this Donald and this little Mickey Mouse Club button. We also have these fun little candy cases that look like little ornaments, and they have the Fab Five with different holiday items around them, so those are all scattered throughout. But behind that we have these retro Mickey and Minnie holiday plushes, this Snow Baby figurine on top of a retro holiday case, and then we also have the plate in the back there that I got in a recent fan mail video. And also from the fan mail we have this really cool advent calendar that has Donald and all of his family on it. Truly one of my favorite shelves right there. Above that we have my Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party shelf. You can see there on the back I have hung 2 of the guide maps. And right here, sparkling in the center, we have my favorite popcorn bucket from my recent trip, which is the light up Christmas tree with the Mickey present figurine there on the side. And it has the Christmas light lanyard hanging down. On the sides of the tree we have these Disney Store ornaments. This is a 2019 one, 2018 one, and then they are sitting on top of holiday colored magic bands. So we have the red one here and the green one over here. We also have this Mickey and Minnie Vinylmation set, and they look like snowmen there on each side. And then in the center we have some Disney pins. These are from this year's Very Merry Christmas Party and other holiday events. So we have those 3 along with scattered little holiday figures and other holiday pins. We also have the Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party Sorcerers of the Magic Kingdom card. Again, there's some more figures. And then we have the Christmas Mickey and Minnie Tsum Tsums with a little sled there in the back. I got this clear container at the Container Store and I love it. I use it in a lot of my displays to help kind of raise stuff, but it's still clear that I can put stuff underneath. It's kind of a little hidden surprise, but I can still display everything that I would like to, so that's a fun little collecting display tip. It adds more height to the shelf as well. You can see here I have my main item raised above all the rest. My next shelf here is again inspired by Disney food. There on the back we have the Disneyland candy cane sign, followed by a holiday Disney popcorn bucket. Inside the bucket you can find the candy cane straw with the Gingerbread Man keychain. And right in front of that we have the Snowman Stein with Mickey ears, and we have these adorable little Mickey Mouse snowmen. One is from Tokyo Disney Resort and is a wind-up toy, and the other one actually goes on top of a straw and lights up. You can see again more tiny figures and little presents scattered around, along with these little fake candies. Next to that we have the Gingerbread House Collection limited edition pins that I got at the Walt Disney World Resort, and they're for the Contemporary and for the Boardwalk. More little figures, pins, and even one of the Magic Kingdom little cookie wrappers. And above that we have the Elf Mickey popcorn bucket. In this display I'm actually using the lid to the clear case just to give it some more height in the shelf, so it's a good kind of 2-piece set. Above that we have 2 more Disney popcorn buckets. We have the Santa Mickey popcorn bucket and the Holiday Alien popcorn bucket, and I added the little stocking and candy cane in his hand. You guys can also see behind that I have a Disney Advent Calendar. I will actually be using that on my Instagram for giveaways in December, so make sure to follow me there if you guys like to win a Disney Cupcake bracelet. Next up, we have one of my other favorite decorations in my room this year, which is my Christmas tree. It's kind of hard to see it lit up right now, but I have the white lights and these little colored lights all scattered throughout. And I'm going to show you guys some of the ornaments on my tree this year. A lot of them are from you guys, which I really appreciate. Thank you so much. I also used these little candy cases from Tokyo Disney all throughout. I love how they look like tiny little popcorn buckets all scattered around. Before I move up any higher in the tree, I wanted to show you guys what I have here on the bottom. I have this light up Cinderella castle little figurine with these little present boxes and even a Luxo ball. Magic bands also work really well in trees. And here's another example of the scented little ornaments, but they're actually on the tree. I have a few of them here that I'll show you, but if you guys, again, would like a video of them, let me know down below. I also added these fun little keychains all throughout. I have a lot of Disney keychains, so I decided to fit those on there as well. You can see more of the little candy cases and my ornaments from my trips this year. I also added this balloon Mickey antenna topper. I put a little string around it, and the string actually goes almost all the way down my tree. Other fun DIY ornaments. I might do some DIY ornament videos, so make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for that. There's another one of the scented ones. There's another one. And of course behind that we have my pin board, but I will have my pin collection video linked down below, along with other room tour videos if you guys like to see more of my Disney pin collection. Over here on my closet door, which we will not be heading into today, but again I'll have that video linked down below. One of you guys sent me this really cool holiday poster, so we have that all hung on the door, along with this really cool light up Disney lanyard that I wore to the Disney parks this year. Now moving over to the shelves here above my TV. The one here on the top is to celebrate the release of the new Star Wars movie, so we have some of the exclusive pops and drink bottles from Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, along with itty bitties and prints. Below that we have the Mickey and Minnie 2016 holiday plush, along with a little holiday card print. And below that we have one of my other favorite areas of my room, which is the Lego Castle and Main Street Station. Again, at the craft store you can find these fun little wreaths and little holiday lights that I really enjoy stringing across my Lego items every year. And this year I also got to do it to the Main Street Station. Below that we have some of the holiday maps that I have gotten from the Walt Disney World Resort, along with other fun keychains and confetti. And here right outside the castle I have this itty bitty Fab 4 sled. I even added some little details on the H that has more Disney pins on it. And now moving over to the last section of my room. Here in one of my other display cases we have the Micro Tsum Tsum holiday plush from an advent calendar from a few years ago. And we also have some of the figures in there as well. On my bed we have some really fun holiday plush, like Duffy and even Stitch. Here behind my bed I put one of my other holiday Mickey ear hats on top of my lamp. And yes, even Ezra is getting in the spirit. And then next to that we have some of the Tsum Tsum holiday box sets, along with the train that also moves and makes sounds. Below that we have some of the holiday Tsum Tsum wristbands and other confetti pieces. Here on my clock I have this little melting snowman and other fun little Disney items. On the mug holding all of my remotes, I have this really cute little Tokyo Disney little mug clip. And here on the side of my bed, I have more of the holiday Disney Tsum Tsums. I put them here every single year. But below that, I also have this sled with a little Christmas Mickey and a little Christmas Goofy. So that is it. That is my holiday Disney room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved filming it. I love decorating my room. I think this is one of my favorite holiday displays that I've ever done. I'm in love with the shelves and the display case and the tree. I love the tree so much. All of the Disney holiday merchandise this year was absolutely amazing, and I'm very, very happy that I was able to add it to my collection this year. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to check out other Disney room tour videos. I'll all have linked down below, like my room tour from last year's holiday season. You guys can check out what decorations I had up then, because I change it up every single year. Again, make sure you guys check out my Instagram, as I will be doing giveaways this December on Instagram, so please go follow me there. Also, please make sure to share my channel with your friends and family this holiday season. It would really, really help me out. I'm getting so close to 10,000 subscribers, and my 5-year anniversary on YouTube is coming up this January, so there's a lot of celebrations going to be happening. There's a lot of fun Disney videos that will be happening. I post Disney videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 2 p.m., so please make sure to subscribe so you do not miss that. With all of that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this Disney holiday room tour. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a happy holiday season. And remember to do what you love and do what makes you happy. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!